What's up, guys? We're back. Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter on our '09 Camry. Got a new filter right here. I'll show you exactly how to get into that. First thing you see is you're going to have our glove box open. What you're going to do is push in on both sides together, just like this. And what you're trying to do is get these two little tabs out. I'll show you right here. There's one, there's two. Now this particular one happens to be missing the little shock that's supposed to help it come down easier, but we're going to replace that at a later date. Just found out about that, but we're just going to get this done. Now we have access to this area right here, and there's two little tabs either side. That's going to be to open this door up. Should just be able to pull that, and there we go. Grab our old filter. It has been changed a little bit. Take a new filter. Brand new one. Put it right in here. All good. And we'll just reverse the process. Careful not to lose that. Clip, clip. Take your glove box. And done. Under 2 minutes. Thank you. Remember to like, subscribe, and share if you found this helpful, and we'll see you next time.